The candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here in the Still Outlook website, you can check down the more than 17 government universities are recruiting the 1500 faculty posts and find the list here. So here I am going to show you the list of the universities, and few universities are mentioned the number of posts, and the last date is also shown here. And the candidates who are interested in these universities, so you may Google for that institute and check down the notifications clearly. And here the list of institutes are Mizoram University and IIT Roorkee. Here the last date is also mentioned here, you may check down. So I am just telling the name of these institutes. Defense Institute of Advanced Technology Pune, and Indira Gandhi Institute of Development Research Mumbai, and IIIT DM Kanchipuram, and Central University of Odisha, Pondicherry University, and next Banaras Hindu University, Aligarh Muslim University, next National Council of Educational Research and Training, that is NCRT. So while coming to the Hindu Banaras University, the nearly 500 posts are there. Okay, so please check down. And in the NCRT also, the huge vacancies are there. And the next one is the Indian Institute of Petroleum and Energy, and Indian Institute of Crafts and Design, and IIIT Vadodara, and IIM Sirmaur, and Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. The next one is the IIM Lucknow, and next one is Center for Development Studies Thiruvananthapuram. So totally these are the different number of government universities which are announcing the huge number of vacancies. So almost all the different departments are going to be covered here. Okay, almost the different departments are going to be covered here. And if you check the individual universities career blog, then you may find out few non-teaching vacancies also. So the candidates who are looking for such type of positions in the public universities or the government universities, so please don't miss this opportunity. And if you want to search for any one of the university, okay, then search for that particular university by copying that one and simply go to the paste that one in the Google, then you will go directed to this official website. Okay, and just simply go to the careers blog or the notifications blog. Okay, then you will come to know the different things, that means whatever the notifications they announced and what is the age criteria and how many number of vacancies are there based upon the caste category and based upon the department wise, and how many designations are there. So all these details you will come to know clearly if you once enter into the official website of this universities, right? So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you. The candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, it is a very good news to you. Why? Because here one of my YouTube channel is designed specially for the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So here all the concepts will be explained in detail, and the PPTs are also available to you to download for quick revision and for quick reading purpose. And this YouTube channel link I am providing in the description box of this video.